Are you curious about the shocking moments when judges were attacked right in their own courtroom? From physical assaults to dramatic outbursts, these incidents reveal the intense and unpredictable nature of court cases. If you find courtroom drama fascinating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video to stay updated on our latest content. Today we're diving into some jaw-dropping courtroom drama where judges faced unexpected attacks and chaos during proceedings. From physical altercations to intense verbal confrontations, these incidents highlight the unpredictable nature of the legal system. Judge Jennifer Edwards, a domestic violence hearing turns violent. In April 2011, things got completely out of hand in a courtroom in a case involving Melissa Hardwick and her estranged husband. Judge Jennifer Edwards was handling a domestic violence case when Hardwick was sentenced to 10 days in jail. Hardwick lost her temper and charged straight at Judge Edwards. The courtroom footage shows Hardwick's husband trying to speak, but Hardwick kept interrupting and ignoring the judge's instructions. Even after being warned about her behavior, Hardwick's anger only grew. Unable to control the situation, Judge Edwards had no choice but to impose the 10-day sentence. But things escalated further. Hardwick attacked Judge Edwards, leading to a chaotic scene where 3 security officers had to restrain her. While Judge Edwards was thankfully unharmed, Hardwick ended up with some scratches on her face. The drama didn't stop there. Hardwick received an additional 120 days in jail for contempt of court. She was also charged with making terroristic threats and resisting arrest. Her bond was set at $25,000. Despite all the commotion, Judge Edwards remained steadfast. The domestic violence order against Hardwick was still in effect, showing that the court was not swayed by the outburst. This incident highlighted how quickly things can spiral in a courtroom and the importance of maintaining order and respect in legal proceedings. Judge Aubrey Rhymes, defending against an outburst. Judge Aubrey Rhymes from Pike County Justice Court recently faced a wild situation involving Sydney Newsome. Newsome, who was in court for a domestic violence charge, lost his temper when the judge told him to leave. Surveillance footage shows how things quickly went off the rails. Newsome, visibly enraged, struggled with the bailiff and even threw papers at Judge Rhymes. The courtroom turned chaotic as Newsome tried to grab more items, including a phone, which he hurled at the judge. Judge Rhymes, showing incredible calm and strength, stepped in to handle the situation. Despite the turmoil, Judge Rhymes managed to restrain Newsome by pinning him against the desk until additional security arrived. Newsome's outburst didn't just end there. Due to his aggressive behavior, he received an extra charge for contempt of court. This added to his already serious legal troubles. As a result, Newsome was sentenced to an additional 2 days in jail. His explosive reaction not only disrupted the court proceedings, but also led to a more severe penalty. This incident highlights the intense and sometimes unpredictable nature of courtroom drama. Judge Vanessa Dixon, spitting incident. In a dramatic turn of events, District Judge Vanessa Dixon found herself in a shocking situation involving Bass Webb. Webb was in court facing serious charges for allegedly trying to run over police officers. Things took a surprising and unpleasant turn when Judge Dixon decided to recuse herself from his case. Webb, clearly agitated by the judge's decision, reacted in a way no one expected. In a fit of rage, he spat right in Judge Dixon's face. This disrespectful act left everyone in the courtroom stunned. Judge Dixon, clearly taken aback, asked the deputies to take action and charge Webb for his behavior. Despite the seriousness of the incident, no charges were filed specifically for the spitting. This moment of extreme anger from Webb really highlighted how intense emotions can become during court cases. It serves as a reminder of the unexpected challenges that can arise in legal settings, showing how heated and unpredictable courtroom situations can sometimes get. Judge Vonda Evans, a verbal confrontation. Judge Vonda Evans faced a heated confrontation with Anthony Thornton. Thornton was in court facing some serious charges, including criminal sexual conduct, kidnapping, and unlawful imprisonment. Things took a turn for the worse when Thornton, already upset, started acting out. During the proceedings, Thornton got extremely angry and started shouting offensive remarks at Judge Evans. His outburst was shocking as he used profanity directed at the judge. This unexpected aggression prompted Judge Evans to respond firmly. She shouted back at Thornton and instructed the deputies to remove him from the courtroom to restore order. Thornton was escorted out by the deputies, but the story didn't end there. He later returned to the courtroom to apologize for his outburst. Despite his apology, Judge Evans was visibly disappointed. She took the opportunity to address Thornton's behavior directly, making it clear how unacceptable his actions were. The whole incident highlighted just how tense and emotionally charged courtroom environments can become. It showed that even in serious legal cases, personal conflicts and high emotions can lead to unexpected and intense situations. Judge Anthony D'Onofrio outburst after sentencing. Judge Anthony D'Onofrio had a tough day in court when he sentenced Richard Penland for child endangerment. This case was heartbreaking. Penland was accused of causing severe injuries to his baby, which led to permanent brain damage and other serious physical issues for the child. As Judge D'Onofrio read the sentence, Penland was visibly upset. He shook his head in disbelief and shouted angrily. His reaction was so intense that deputies had to step in and remove him from the courtroom to calm things down. Penland's outburst was a dramatic moment that showed just how emotionally charged sentencing can be, especially in cases involving serious harm to children. The case highlighted how difficult it can be to deal with the emotions and reactions that come up during sentencing. When someone is found guilty of causing such severe harm, it's not just a legal decision, it's an emotional one too. This incident reminds us of the heavy impact these decisions have on everyone involved, from the victims to the defendants and even the judges. Judge John Murphy, a scuffle with a public defender. In June 2014, Brevard County Circuit Judge John Murphy found himself in an unexpected and dramatic situation. During a court session, Murphy got into a heated argument with Assistant Public Defender Andrew Weinstock. The conflict began when Weinstock refused to waive his client's right to a speedy trial. Murphy, clearly frustrated by Weinstock's refusal, threatened to throw a rock at him. This threat escalated quickly, and the two men ended up in a physical altercation. According to witnesses, Murphy hit Weinstock twice in the face. However, Murphy later claimed that Weinstock threw the first punch. The confrontation was so shocking that the courtroom audience reacted with clapping and laughter, which added to the bizarre nature of the incident. The altercation did not go unnoticed, and it led to serious consequences for Murphy. The Florida Supreme Court took swift action following the incident. They removed Judge Murphy from his position, demonstrating the serious repercussions of judicial misconduct. These incidents reflect the high-stress environment of the courtroom and the extreme reactions that can occur. From physical attacks to intense verbal confrontations, these stories are a testament to the challenges faced by those in the legal profession. If you enjoyed this deep dive into courtroom chaos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Stay tuned for more intriguing videos and behind-the-scenes looks at the legal world.